Welcome back with a new lecture. I am Sami and today our topic is how to calculate mortar and brickworks. So, I will discuss shortly, okay? So, how to calculate quantity for the mortar. In mortar, we consider or in brick masonry or in brickwork, we consider the mortar, okay? We consider 20% to 30% mortar. We consider 20% to 30%. Okay. For example, I have volume that is 75 cubic feet. And 75 cubic feet I want to use brick. Okay. So, in brick masonry, how much mortar are required? Okay. So, first of all, I will write the ratio for the mortar. Okay. So, the ratio is 1:4. Total ratio is 5. Okay. Now, 75 cubic feet. And 75 cubic feet, how many mortar are required for the brick masonry? Okay. So, look at here. Now, this is the volume. Okay. 75 cubic feet. Come to your topic again. Now, for the mortar, what do we have to do now here? We have to write here, we need, I will take 25% consider here. Okay? That's why 20 to 30%, because different masons are working different. Okay? So therefore, sometimes people are using 20%, means they are using the thin layer on the bricks. Sometimes the different people are using the depth is little more from the 20%. Okay, so therefore you can consider from 20% to 30%. So I will consider here 25% for this 75 cubic feet work. Okay, so I will consider 25. 25%. So 25 cubic feet used in 100 cubic feet. So this is percentage. Okay. So in 75 cubic feet, how many mortar are required? Look at here. 25 divided by 100 is equal 0.25 multiply 75. Okay. It will give you 18.75. What? 18.75. 18.75 cubic feet mortar are required. What? Mortar. Okay? Mortar. So, now I want to out the sand quantity from this mortar. So, what do we have to do? Will we use this volume? No. This is the wet volume. I want to convert this wet volume to the dry volume. Previous method, like in concrete work. In concrete work, when we want to convert the wet volume to the dry volume, so we just multiply with 1.54. In mortar, when you want to convert the wet volume to the dry volume, you just multiply with 1.27. Dry volume is equal wet volume multiply 1.27 is equal wet volume is 18.75 multiply 1.27 okay is equal 1.27. It will give us 23.81 cubic feet, but this is the dry volume because we don't use the wet material, we use dry material. Therefore, I want to convert this. Okay, now volume of cement. How much cement are required here? Okay, so volume of the cement. Look at here, this is the ratio. Total ratio is 5. Okay, Total is 5, the ratio is 1 4. 1 is cement and 4 is sand. Okay, so I need to out the quantity for cement. So 1 used in 5. Quantity is dry volume 23.81. 23.81. So how much cubic feet are required here? So 1 divided by 5 is equal, multiply 23.81. It will give you 4.76. 4.76 CFT. Okay, so this is the volume for cement. Now I want to convert to the bags. Okay, so 1 bag is equal 1.25 CFT. Okay, so what it will give us? So multiply 1.25. Sorry, divide, not multiply. Okay, because total volume divided by 1.25 divided by volume of bag. Okay, 4.76 divided by 1.25. It will give us 3.80. 3.80. So just write here. Okay, volume of cement divided by 1.25. So it will give us 3.80 bags. Okay. Now I want to out the cement. Okay, so come here. Cement. Sorry, cement is sand. Sand is 4 in 5. Okay, 4 divided by 5. Multiply the total volume for water 23.81. 81. Okay, so what it will give us? It will give us 4 divided by 5 is equal, multiply 23.81. 19 CFT. Okay, so this is the volume for the sand. So this is the method how to calculate the mortar in brickwork. If you like my videos, so must subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. All the best.